Trippy Trophy? Oh, good. Frigo Camelo. 5. Tralalelo, tralala. Good. Boneca Ambalabu. 2. Divino Bombondino. 4. Trippy Trophy. Trulimelo, Trulicina. Bad. Cappuccino Assassino. Not bad. Tung 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 Sahur. Oh, bad. Not. Ballerina Cappuccina 6. Goodbye guys. That's it. Bye bye. This or that? The Cappuccino Assassino. Ballerina Cappuccino. Berber Patapin. This one. Bombardino Crocodilo. This one. Oh, cute. That. Bombini Gusini. Barolini. Lori. No. Nabaka sa turno. No. Trippy. Frigo Camelo. Boneca Ambalabu. This one. What the fuck? Oh, no. This one. I'm gonna run out of the town. No. No. La. Bye bye. What now? Duh! Oh my god. No way. Oatmeal? I don't eat that. Ginger? 2. I eat that. Wafer? I eat that too. Fortune? I not eat that. Butter? 6. Chocolate? Oh, but my favorite. Decorated? 4. Macaron? Oh, that I not eat that. Red velvet, I eat that. Tom Bridge. Okay. 7. And that's it. Bye bye. Macaron. Pass. I smash. Pass.